Hello everyone, so welcome to this tutorial on our Adobe Aero project. So in this tutorial what we want to do is to add interactive quizzes to our AR project. Okay, so this interactive quiz is not going to be from within the AR experience, but actually it's going to be a clickable link. Okay, so when you click on the link, it will take you outside prior to a Google Forms, so you can monitor the progress or understanding of your students. Okay, yeah, basically we want to first do the UI. Okay, so there's something we call defensive design. Those who do are from the programming background would understand this. But defensive design is just supposed to allow you to prevent certain actions from happening. Okay, or um, actions, or you want some actions to actually, or the user to confirm their actions. Okay, so let's say if the person clicks the back button, it will pop up a message like a notification. Would you want this to be done, or would you want to close the application or open the app or something? Yes or no? Yeah, so that's something about defensive design. Okay, so here I'm going to copy this UI. I'm going to call it alert. Okay, so alert. Okay, I think the link to this file, okay, this wizard project is shared in the course, and then you can follow along. But also, since you've learned to design, you can design everything yourself. Okay, so alert, then the alert. Let me take this out. Okay, I don't want the text. So with the alert, we want to simulate two buttons. So what I'll do is I'm going to remove this from it. Then I'm going to change the size, or I'll resize it to something like this size. Okay, you can check here for the size I'm using. And I'm going to hold on the alt key and then drag this to this side. Okay, so now basically what we want is okay, let me ungroup it. Since they are grouped, I'm going to ungroup. Where's the ungroup? Okay. Okay, so they are ungrouped. So I'll go for the text to we can type a yes or no, but we just want to be fancy a bit, so we are going to use the emoji. So on Windows you use Windows and then the period or the full stop. Okay, then you can search for the icons you want. So I want this for a no. So I want this for a no. Okay, so all I want this for a no, so all I can do is just highlight it and then change the size here. So let's use it to 64. 64 is quite okay. Let me just make sure everything is working here. I can highlight it and then center it properly. So let's use center. So this is quite okay. Okay, so I can delete this, and rather let's just Control C, Control V this, bring it here. So I'm going to bring this here, then double click, and then I'm going to use the Windows and period sign, and then look for either this or this. So let's use this one. Okay, so for some reason my thumbs up didn't work, so I'll go with this icon. Okay, I don't know the combination keys to help you get the icons in Mac. Okay, but Figma comes with other plugins that can help you get these icons. Okay, so I'm going to group this, Control G. I'll group this to Control G. Okay, then I'm going to click on the text to draw here, and then let's type wood. Okay, so would you like to take the quiz? Okay, so now we can resize this text. Let's use semi bold, and then change it to somewhere like 20. Okay, So let's see if our this one will fit into it. Okay, it wouldn't fit. So let's stretch this down a bit. Okay, we can put it here. So, okay, so we are going to design this in Figma. Like we would add these components in Figma. Okay, so now let's see what we need to do. This size, okay, this size should be okay for now. Then we can group this, and then let's give it a name. So I'm going to click here. That's the name. So I'm going to call it alert. Okay, so now if the user clicks on this, um, it closes this UI. If the person clicks on this, then it launches the interactive quiz. Okay, so we can download it. Remember, I've changed their names just so it helps us in our Adobe environment. So I can just multi-select them by clicking on Shift, and then I can export them. Okay, so it's exported as a zip file. So all I have to do is to click. I can click on it. Then let's see where it is. Okay, so we have our UI here. Okay, so that should be it for this lesson. In our next lesson, we'll learn to create our questions or our quizzes. Then we'll insert the link into our hero projects. So see you in the next lesson. Thank you.